If the sill plate at your foundation isn't perfectly square, your house is crooked from the ground up. Nobody notices until the roof won't sit right. By then it's too late to fix without tearing into the structure. Rim joist trim first. Circular saw cuts every board flush against the foundation edge. Tape measure confirms every dimension before the blade touches wood. Frame sections align next. Butt joints pulled tight with the framing hammer before nails lock them permanently. No gaps between boards. Gaps are pathways for air and moisture straight into the structure. Then the layout for the next section. Speed square scribes a perfect 90-degree line across the lumber. This single mark determines whether the corner of the house is actually square.